there.
Richmond, Michigan. Hey, Grandma, there's a northbound coming. Alright.
Big spider.
Huh?
See him?
Yeah, can you let me know when you hear it?
Yeah.
Okay. High five. Number 2 for this week.
Yeah.
Can I go right here? Okay. How close is it?
I don't see his lights yet.
Should we check?
Not close yet.
Okay. Check. It's coming. It has 4 lights. I think it's in a muggle mix fight.
What?
I think it's double stacked.
Why?
Because usually the northbounds are always double stacks.
Oh.
But we'll find out. Well, should we go over here? Well, here it comes. Richmond, Michigan. So this is northbound turning northeastbound, right?
What?
Northbound is going to turn northeastbound for a minute, then turn eastbound, right?
Yeah.
Then it'll go Canada, right?
It's taking a long time.
You had to hear it sound.
See the new TV?
Yeah. New TV? How close is he? Should we look?
Go ahead.
Can you look at me, please? Just take a heck of it. I mean, when the gates are down at 31, you can see them pointing.
They're going down now.
Where?
On 31.
Alright, here it comes. Alright guys, Richmond, Michigan. Here's train 2 for this week. Wait, Grandma? If he waves, can you let me know? Where can I stand?
Right there is fine.
Yeah, here it comes.
Yeah.
In case he waves, can you let me know?
Yeah.
Here it comes, guys. Is he blowing the horn yet?
Yeah.
Huh?
Yeah.
Is that it? I think it's blowing the horn. Yeah, I'm gonna walk over here. Is that fine?
Yeah.
Here it comes. Richmond, Michigan. Here it comes. Maybe we'll see another one after.
Yeah.
Does that horn sound weak?
Yeah, it does.
What does it sound like?
Sounds like a weak horn.
Okay, let me get the gates. Here it comes.
Yeah, he train watches all the time.
Oh, okay. Wasn't that like, I think I hear horns. I've never been that close to a train.
Here it comes, Gabe.
So how'd you know you're coming tonight?
I know the schedule. We've been doing this a long time.
You're taking. nothing else. Who's that?
So you wanted to come and see the train?
We would like trains too.
Yeah, I guess.
Huh?
Can I get back?
Yeah. Be careful.
What the? Gamma? Hey, I think I see a cloud. I see another cloud.
What?
I see a cloud.
Let me see.
That was a long, I think that was a mistake.
Yeah, it was a lot of car hauler.
Did he wave or no?
No, he was looking at the crossing.
Was it because he was making sure if the work was okay?
I think so.
How come?
I don't know, B.
I wonder, why?
I don't know.
Is there another train?
I don't know. It sort of looks like it, but that would be too close, B.
Well, if it is, that would be true, right?
Right.
He probably wasn't waving because he was probably focusing on...
He was watching the crossing.
But was his door open?
No, it didn't look like it.
Is there another train?
We'll wait a few minutes and see, okay?
Does it look like it to you?
I don't know. I can't tell.
Or does it look like it kind of bright? Yeah, it looks like it, doesn't it?
That might be a siding light. You know?
Can you tell?
No, but I think I see a red signal.
That's what it looks like.
See, the signal's red. A signal way down there. See it?
Maybe 1 mile?
I don't know. See the red signal?
Yeah.
Do you see it?
Yeah. There's nothing else coming, or is there another
I don't know. Where's your binoculars?
Over by the car.
Go get them and see.
Okay. Okay. Richmond, Michigan.